Well, folks, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna get ready to go spray the corn with some foliar fertilize. 3608 is try to put a lot of nitrogen on it. It's supposed to rain this afternoon. Hopefully, it'll jump it off, make it really shoot up. Um, we're gonna mix it. We got the way to mix this. Recommended for a tank sprayer is 1 pound to 2 to 5 gallons. So I'm gonna put it right in the middle of about a pound to 3 gallons of water. And still have some leftover Roundup in my tank, but that ain't gonna hurt nothing because I'm spraying over Roundup Ready corn. Anyway, we're gonna mix it here in a bucket. You gotta mix it up good. One thing you'll want to do on your tank sprayer is you'll want to take your filter out, because this is a granulated. I mean, it mixes up pretty good, but there's still some that don't get mixed up good, and it will stop up your spray if you leave your filter in. So take your filter out. And anyway, we're gonna mix it up in a bucket a little bit at a time, and then pour it in the sprayer, and then we'll go over and spray. This product here is made by Grasshopper. You can buy it off of Amazon where I get it. They have all different ratios. They have triple 10, triple 13, triple 17. This is 3608 high nitrogen. Um, and I'm not. I know it's supposed to be exactly a pound, but I just guess at it about what a pound is. Pour it in the bucket. I just guess at it on the weight and the. You can pretty much guess in a 5 gallon bucket what 3 gallons is, but we'll mix all this up. Well, folks, that's about 3 gallons, and I just use a regular agitator on a drill. Mix it up good. You can just take and pour that in your sprayer. You just do that same mixture over and over till you get your sprayer as full as you want it. Well, all right, we've got it all mixed up in the tank. Let's head over and try to get it sprayed. Now, one thing I will say is, I wouldn't want to spray this on in direct sunlight. I don't see any warnings about that, but I would think spraying straight nitrogen on in the direct sun would maybe would burn it a little bit, but it's cloudy today, so we should be okay. Come on, go with me. Well, folks, this is a before. I'm gonna let you see it. This is what it looks like now. Just got through spraying it. We'll give it a couple of weeks and come back, tell you what that foliar fertilizer does for it. Anyway, see this strip around here? We'll come back later on today, and we're gonna work this up one more time. We're gonna plant some incognito as a
screen, just so we can try to get in here when it comes time to hunt. We'll see how that goes. I've had pretty good luck with that stuff in the past. Waiting on it to get here right now. If it gets here this afternoon, we'll come over and plant it. Stick with us for that. Well, folks, we're gonna try to get this seeded right here for dark. Seed finally got here. I'm gonna plant this incognito. Not affiliated with them. I just had pretty good luck with it. Gonna plant this strip just for a screen. Then I'm just gonna roll it in with the golf cart tires. Use that as a color packer, and hope for some rain. Come go with us. A lot of you probably know this, but when you're planting this screen, and well, plant it pretty. You don't want to plant it too thick, or it won't do nothing. You have to go over pretty light so you get seed up. Because I came over here a little bit ago and go ahead and put the fertilizer down and tilled it in. All right, folks, let's get her rolled in. Like I said, I'm gonna use the golf cart tires like a color packer just to push the seeds in the soil, get good seed soil contact, and we just hope for the rain. Well, folks, that's gonna wrap this one up. Let me show you. Filling that with the golf cart. Make it look just like you run over it with a color packer. Anyway, that's gonna wrap this one up. Back for the next one. We'll see what kind of rain we get, how it works out. As always, everybody's had a great day. Everybody has a great week, and God bless.